Back in episode 8, we overviewed Attio's automations. This video is part 1 of going deeper. We'll cover recurring schedule trigger, use the filter block, loop block, and create a workflow automation.
So, let's build a complicated workflow. For example, you want to keep your hand raised and follow up only with those people whom you have contacted more than 1 month ago. How to build it? Go to Workflow, create a new workflow, start from scratch, and choose the recurring schedule trigger. Recurring schedule trigger works on a recurring basis, so you can set up a frequency like daily, weekly, monthly, or advanced. Under advanced, you can set up a current expression. Under the time, you choose when it should execute and the time zone. I set it up by default. In the next step, we want to find the records. So we can set up a limit. Let's choose 1000 and choose the object people. So we want to find the people who we have interacted 1 month ago or more. We need to set up a filter. Why do we need it? Because we don't want to have recurring schedule automation for all the people. Click on the last interaction, when, before, and days from now, 30. Now, the next step is the loop. So, what is the loop? Loop is a special block where you can execute the action in the cycle. What does it mean? If you put just after the find the records block any execution step, like create a task or create a note or something like that, it will be executed only for the first matched record, not for the old one. But what if the find records block found 100 records? We need to put the execution step inside the loop, and these steps will be executed for all iterable items, for all found records, and create a task, for example. So here we need to choose found records, find records, matched people. There is no limit and we don't want to do it, so the next step is, let's say, create a task and let's configure this block. Follow up this person, loop current person record, so it will assign, it will put the current person in the loop. For the due date, we can set up a recurring schedule trigger at, and for the linked records, we can use the loop and the current person record. You can, by default, assign it to yourself, and that's it. So this is like a simple workflow that allows you to keep your hand on the wrist. Click on the Publish Changes, and every day at noon by UTC time, this automation will be executed automatically. Next video is part 2, where we get into delay steps, filter block, switch, and build the workflow using the webhooks and API. We're Craftt, and we help teams turn Attio into something they actually use. Link in the description to book a free audit.